Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Xbox Live or Steam status and Forza Horizon 5 server reports so you're not chasing a provider outage. Next, switch to a wired connection or move closer to the router, then restart the router and modem to clear transient issues. Once done, test your connection speed aiming for stable 10 Mbps+ and inspect NAT type. If it's strict, enable UPnP or forward the Fh5 ports on your router to allow proper matchmaking. You now focus on the platform and local files. Verify game files on Steam or use the repair option in the Xbox app to replace corrupted assets that block online features. Then clear caches, delete temporary game folders, clear the platform download cache, and restart the client so cached tokens refresh. Make sure your GPU drivers, Windows updates, and client app are current. Outdated software can break networking or anti-cheat communication, so applying those updates often restores online connectivity. Finish by refreshing accounts and hardware. Sign out of Xbox or Steam, then sign back in to refresh entitlement tokens and multiplayer sessions. Power cycle your console or PC and fully reboot the modem and router, then reconfirm NAT and port forwarding because changes only take effect after reboots. If the problem persists, reinstall Forza Horizon 5 to eliminate deep file corruption, and if required, gather error logs and timestamps to send to support. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs or proxies, which often block matchmaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.